Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to get Delta Executor for Android. First, you'll have to enter the Delta Executor official website that I will leave its link down below in the description of the video. You can go check it. Once you click on the link, it will open this page. Now you will have to click on these three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Then it will ask you whether you want to download it on the Windows, Android, iOS shop, or desk card. So here in my case, I'll click on Android. Then you should now click on download for Android in order to download Delta for your Android. It will redirect you to this page. Then click on this download button in the middle. After that will be downloaded, you should now navigate to the downloads in your file manager and click on it and install it. In some cases, your mobile will ask you for the permission and it will tell you that it is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source. You just have to go to settings, then give Chrome or whatever browser that you are using the permission to install unknown apps. Just toggle this option on. Once you toggle it on, this message will appear and you can install the application. And after installation, you just have to click on done. And now you have to give the access to Roblox itself. So you'll have to go navigate to this page right here. You just have to search for files access and make sure that you have Roblox toggled on. You can search for files access in the search bar of your mobile settings. And after that, you will be able to open the game on your phone, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.